What are we doing? Where are we going?
We are about to backpack around the Hetch Hetchy reservoir. It is Saturday morning at almost 9, and we're going to do 30 miles between now and tomorrow at 3.
And we're going to do 10,000 feet of climbing.
Yes.
We hope to get up to
all of it today.
Hope to get up to 7,800 feet today. This is Hetch Hetchy Dam and Reservoir. Good luck.
Thank you.
So we're here and we're going to go up. We're going to go around Laurel Lake and then all the way out to here and then come back around this way to Rancherio Falls, around and back. We have come 4 miles in about an hour and 45 minutes. We have realized that having these really light packs, like 18 pounds, is a game changer. Like, I don't know why we didn't do this before. Normally we're like 30, 31 pounds, and it's so much easier. And we are headed towards Laurel Lake, and that's going to just be like one loop, and then we're going to keep going and try to make like 15, 16 miles today. This will be interesting. Yeah, so I went up there because there's this big rock that goes across, and I was like, oh, I'll just go across this big rock. And I got to the big rock, and there was like a 10-foot section where it's kind of like a little bit of a waterfall that everything funnels down. I was like, if I jump across that and miss, I'm one of the people that is in the search and rescue. And so I'll keep going up, and I kept going up, and it just, there was no place. So I just went to where it was like more still, and I crossed there, but then it was pretty swift around this giant rock. So I got on top of the rock, and like, oh, that's good. And then when I got off the rock, I was like, whoa, and the water went like up to here. And
oh my gosh. Okay, where are we? What's happening? What's our progress? And are we stalled?
We're at Laurel Lake, and we cannot refine the trail. We crossed the creek, and there's a bunch of pooled water everywhere, and it's not really clear where we're going. And according to our GPS and map, that we've already crossed the creek, but on this we have not. So looks like we're supposed to go this way.
Does something like this happen to us at least once every time we backpack?
About once every hour.
Yeah. All right. Hopefully we'll find our way.
We will.
After losing the trail for what, an hour? Half hour, we found the trail, and we are very happy about this. The trail. Lake Vernon is our next stop.
Money earning Lake Vernon.
Let's do it.
This is Moraine Ridge. We are headed towards Money Earning Mount Vernon Lake. It is around 5 o'clock, and we have come 14 and a quarter miles.
You say about Vernon Lake? We didn't really see it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. I'm getting tired. We saw Vernon Lake from on high, and it was beautiful. And then we took the trail down, we saw the sign, and it said 0.1 to Vernon Lake, which we assume means you'd see Vernon Lake. However, we went a lot further than that. Well, we went further than that. We didn't see a lake. So we turned around. We didn't experience Vernon Lake, is basically the moral of the story. Miles, and we just crossed this beautiful footbridge with beautiful waterfall. We thought about camping here because it's freaking gorgeous, but the biggest climb of the whole trip is right now, so we figure let's do this at 6 p.m. versus doing it first thing in the morning. So we're gonna go about 2 miles in about 1,400 feet of climbing, I think. Yep, that's about right. So here we go. Oh, I didn't know you had a camera on. So over there is where we started. So that's Hetch Hetchy Reservoir Valley, somewhere right over there. And then we went all the way over here, way back there, around here, down there, back here, down here, and we've climbed. But it's super cool when you can see your progress, because it's a good day when you know that's where you came from.
This is our good enough campsite for the night. It's very cold here. It was difficult to find a flat spot that was off the trail and away from the water and not near any of these sketchy, like, dead trees. So, good enough. Good morning.
Good morning.
I think it's chilly, huh?
A little cold, yeah.
How was your night of sleep?
I slept okay. I adjusted a lot, but and it was cold and I was sore, but I slept okay. How about you?
I had like a series of 30-minute naps. I would go on my back, my side, my stomach, my other side. Just everything kind of hurt.
We were at an angle, which I don't think helped.
And it was cold, and we did a lot of miles yesterday, but we survived.
Yeah.
And we're going to head out for our last, like, 11-ish
11,
miles.
12, yeah.
For the most part, should be downhill.
For the most part. Alright, so to catch everybody up, we thought this was a 29-mile hike total. Turns out it's more like 33, 34. None of our math is working. We don't know why. And we've been slogging along the reservoir for hours. But we finally saw the dam, which is our finishing point. We're very happy about this because we're like in the twilight zone today, but it's beautiful and we're enjoying it, sort of. That's it.